I have Lars with me from Ninolab, and I'm so happy to have you in Flemingsberg. Please tell us a little bit about Ninolab.
So Ninolab is a family-owned company, been around for 60 years. We actually celebrate 60 years this year.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you very much. And we are a distributor partner for a lot of companies, about 50 companies. And we distribute the lab equipment actually for all labs, basic lab equipment.
And you are here in Flemingsberg at our mini fair today. Why did you choose to be here?
Because it's very close to Karolinska Hospital and to KI and to other kind of spin-off companies, we thought it would be a great opportunity for us to show our products.
How is your evaluation of the day?
So far, that's been really, really good. A lot of people coming in, a lot of new prospect customers for us, so it's perfect.
Thank you so much. Then you will come back.
Thank you very much.